Welcome to our Heinz Ketchup factory. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how our famous tomato ketchup is made.
Lodi's Baltony. Genuine blood yield special bunch of tuts and owns into was the chronity. Can you arrest the twins when the distrobdeed? Never the sun from
Transcription. This facility transforms millions of pounds of tomatoes into Heinz ketchup annually. As tomatoes flow through flumes, automated systems remove debris. Rotating drum screens catch leaves,
After optical sorting, tomatoes pass on wide inspection belts, where trained workers perform visual verification.
Approved tomatoes accumulate in large holding bins that buffer between receiving and processing. The bins slowly rotate to prevent compaction and bruising.
hand-selected at harvest and rigorously inspected at our facility, only the finest tomatoes earn the right to become Heinz ketchup. Whole tomatoes enter high-speed choppers that rapidly reduce them to coarse pieces. Rotating blades slice through thousands of pounds of tomatoes per hour. Chopped tomatoes immediately enter the hot break system, a critical step for premium ketchup. Steam jack.
Extracted tomato pulp passes through finishers, equipment with even finer screens that creates
Tomato puree enters massive vacuum evaporators for concentration. Under reduced pressure, water evaporates at lower temperature.
Inline refractometers continuously measure concentration. Target paste reaches 28-30 bricks.
Concentrated tomato paste exit the evaporator system. It flows slowly towards blending, where it will become Heinz ketchup.
Brix measurement confirms proper concentration. Color analysis verifies intense red hue. Viscosity testing ensures proper thickness. Approved tomato paste is pumped to large storage tanks. These tanks hold concentrated paste for continuous ketchup production. Tomato skins and seeds are collected for byproduct processing, processed into animal feed or composted. Nothing is wasted. Water evaporated from tomatoes during concentration is recovered and purified. Condensers capture steam, converting it back to clean water. Temperatures in the hot break are stable.
evaporator concentration is approaching target.
From fresh tomatoes to concentrated paste, we've captured the essence of sun-ripened flavor.
Concentrated tomato paste is pumped into the blending kettle as the primary ingredient. Flow meters measure precise quantities according to the batch recipe. Turns. High-quality distilled vinegar is added to the tomato paste, the ingredient responsible for ketchup's characteristic tang. Sweeteners are added to balance the acidity of tomatoes and vinegar. Sugar or high-fructose corn syrup is precisely measured and added. Fine salt is added to enhance overall flavor. Salt amplifies both sweetness and tomato taste. The prepared spice blend is added to the blending kettle. The aromatic spices are dispersed into the tomato vinegar mixture. Powerful agitators blend all ingredients into a homogeneous mixture. High-speed blades create a vortex, ensuring complete integration.
The blended mixture is heated in the cooking kettle to develop flavors. Steam-jacketed walls bring the ketchup to cooking temperature.
Viscometers measure flow properties. Heinz ketchup must have the perfect thickness.
Heinz. Quality confirmed at every step.
This human verification ensures consistent taste in every bottle. Ingredient quantities, addition times, temperatures, and test results are logged digitally. Each batch receives a unique code.
Approved ketchup is pumped to holding tanks that supply the filling lines. These tanks maintain ketchup at proper temperature for optimal filling viscosity.
Blended and cooked to perfection, our ketchup now embodies over 150 years of Heinz craftsmanship.
Robotic depalletizers unload thousands of empty, iconic Heinz glass bottles from shipping pallets. Mechanical grippers carefully separate bottle layers.
Clean bottles enter the hot fill system, where heated ketchup is dispensed. Filling nozzles descend into bottles.
Inspection scanning. Level verification. Quality confirmation.
Metal lug caps are applied and twisted to create a hermetic seal. The hot ketchup inside creates a vacuum seal as it cools. Heinz labels are applied. For glass bottles, paper labels wrap around the bottle body, featuring the Keystone logo and product information. Production codes are applied to every bottle. Inkjet printers mark production date, best by date, plant code, and batch information on caps or labels. Completed bottles pass through comprehensive quality inspection. Metal detectors screen for any contamination.
Sau cách và kết hợp dễ dụ xử lý này, thì là điện pháp sỏi thi. The listening scene and that in say is that they can wait in place.
Perfectly filled and carefully packaged, every bottle of Heinz ketchup now begins its journey to consumers.
At Heinz, our central quality laboratory is a world-class facility, ensuring every product meets our highest standards.
Microbiological testing ensures every batch is safe for consumers. Samples are tested for pathogens and spoilage organisms.
Evaluation. Sensory evaluation ensures every batch tastes like Heinz. Trained panelists evaluate against
Specialized equipment measures ketchup physical properties. Brookfield viscometers measure flow characteristics. Packaging performance testing verifies container integrity. Vacuum testing confirms proper seal in glass bottles. Quality extends to all ingredient suppliers. Supplier audit records are reviewed. Incoming ingredients are tested against specifications.
Regional distribution centers receive Heinz ketchup from manufacturing facilities. Warehouse operations sort products for retail and food service customers.
In homes and restaurants, Heinz ketchup is enjoyed with favorite foods.
From sun-ripened tomatoes grown on family farms to the iconic bottle on your table.
And that's how Heinz tomato ketchup is made. From sun-ripened tomatoes to the iconic bottle you know and love.